Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Achieving financial freedom might sound like a distant dream, but with the right plan and consistent action, it's entirely possible. Today, I'm sharing a simple 5-step plan that will help you break free from financial stress and start building the life you've always wanted. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your strategy, these steps are designed to be practical, actionable, and effective. Let's dive in. Step 1 is all about clarity. Know your numbers. Before you can make progress, you need to understand where you currently stand. Start by tracking your income, expenses, debts, and savings. Create a budget that reflects your reality, not what you wish it was. This step is crucial because it gives you a clear picture of your financial health. Think of it as your financial GPS. You can't map out a route to success without knowing your starting point. Don't worry if the numbers aren't pretty. Awareness is the first step to change. Step 2 is to eliminate high-interest debt. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to financial freedom, especially if it comes with hefty interest rates. Focus on paying off credit cards, personal loans, or any other high-interest debts as quickly as possible. Use strategies like the debt snowball method, where you pay off the smallest debts first, or the debt avalanche method, where you tackle the highest interest debts first. Whichever approach works for you, the goal is the same. Free yourself from the financial burden of debt so you can redirect that money toward building wealth. Step 3 is to build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can derail even the best financial plans. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. This safety net will give you peace of mind and protect you from falling back into debt when surprises come your way. Start small if you have to. Even setting aside a few dollars each week can add up over time. The key is consistency. Step 4 is to invest in your future. Once you're free from high-interest debt and have a solid emergency fund, it's time to make your money work for you. Explore investment options like retirement accounts, index funds, or real estate, whatever aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow thanks to the power of compound interest. Remember, financial freedom isn't just about earning more. It's about growing your wealth strategically. Finally, step 5 is to create multiple streams of income. Relying on a single paycheck can be risky, so look for ways to diversify your income. This could mean starting a side hustle, investing in passive income opportunities, or even monetizing a hobby. Multiple income streams not only increase your earning potential, but also provide a safety net in case one source dries up. The more sources of income you have, the faster you'll reach financial independence. So there you have it, the 5-step plan to achieving financial freedom. Know your numbers, eliminate debt, build an emergency fund, invest in your future, and create multiple income streams. Remember, this journey isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Take it one step at a time and celebrate every milestone along the way. Financial freedom is within your reach, and with determination and action, you'll get there. Now, it's your turn. What step will you take today to move closer to your goals?